So, recently I went on a trip and it was pretty fun. But I'm not gonna talk about that. Today I'll tell you how I came back from there. So me and Hansi were coming back from Malaysia to India and we have witnessed very few Indians during our entire trip. But when we were going back to India, it was full of Indians. India is not for beginners. We have realized that as soon as we stepped into the flight. Yeah, Chintu, go back to your seat. Hey, it feels like home. But I think the flight staff was pretty racist. Or I won't say the entire staff, but one air hostess was really psycho. I'll come back on this topic. Before that, I'll tell you we were traveling in budget flight. That's why the condition of flight was pretty ding-dong. Madam, how will the screen work?
It doesn't work, sir.
And then two guys came and sit in the seat in front of us, which was not even their original seats.
Badalok, you haven't seated on your seats?
Boarding is done, now no one will come here. You guys haven't reached at your seats? Papa, boarding is done, now no one will come here.
Is this your original seat?
Yes, it is. We get to know that they were not traveling alone. Their whole family was worried about their seat that they haven't reached to their seats. There was a couple sitting behind us and these two guys were their kids. After some chit chat, we got to know that they were traveling with 30 other relatives. This time only 30 came, otherwise we would have reached 50. In our family, only one family or two family is rich. But in their family, the entire extended family is wealthy. The whole family is going on international trips, but they have very homely atmosphere. Where is Bhayaji's pasta? He wants his pasta.
I don't know.
Their whole family was drinking, enjoying and moving around on the flight.
You're not drunk. I'm not drunk. He's not drunk. I'm actually not drunk. He's actually not drunk.
What will we do with the drunken sailor? What will we do with the drunken sailor? What will we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning?
I mean, does we also have this much open-minded family in India? Like just drinking and enjoying with family? Anyways, the flight takes off and the psycho air hostess noticed that these two guys were not sitting on their original seats. Of course, credit goes to the all family members who were keep asking them, "Sir, can you tell me your original seat number?" Sir, tell me your original seat number.
My seat number 56.
We don't have 56 seat. Go back to your seat, this seat is chargeable. That air hostess tone was really rude. We thought that if this guy throws money on air hostess face, then it will be very cool. But they went back to their seats. At that time, one big celebrity was also traveling in our flight in business class. Because of that, no staff was there to help. Even after bell, no one was coming. They all went to impress someone in business class. In that moment, an uncle came who needed to go to the washroom.
How do I open this gate?
He broke the gate, but even after that, no one came to help him.
भाई गेट ही बाहर आ गया. हाँ बना रहा हूँ.
Then Hansi went to help him. What if it's urgent? After some time, I noticed that my seat is broken. We went to Malaysia from same airline and that time also Hansi's seat was broken. But that time Hansi didn't say anything and traveled 5 hours suffering. But now this is not gonna happen again. If we have paid to travel comfortably, then we will travel comfortably. He went to that seat from which air hostess got irritated and he gave me his seat to me.
NANI? お前はもう死んでいる。
She got so annoyed after watching it. Sir, go back to your seat. This seat is paid. My seat is broken. Give me a new seat. Until then I'll sit here. She checked our seats and it was really broken. Sir, go back to your seat. I will give you new seat in just 5 minutes. We just wanted to spend our 5 hours. And after watching this much drama, we thought let's create new one. We gave her a condition that we want seats together. Because we already paid money to sit together. We did this with her because being Indian, she was too racist with Indians. Like, what is this behavior, huh? Your tone is totally different with foreigners.
モカちゃんが教えてくれたいろんな見た目になれるアプリなんだって。
She got totally annoyed and she was finding seats for us so that we could not sit on the premium seats. After some time, she comes over to us and tell us that there is an uncle sitting behind. He'll come and sit in front, so both of us should go and sit in back.
Okay.
So we go and sit in the uncle's seat, and yes, he was sitting alone, so technically we got 2 seats for us. But after some time, that uncle came back. Meri seat aa. And we looked at the air hostess cause she arranged seats for us. Please talk to him about your seats. What? You have arranged seats for us, then why we would talk to him about our seats? And then an argument gets started. People were watching us making videos like what's going on?
ਸਾਡਾ luggage ਇੱਥੇ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਕਾਹਨੂੰ ਜਾਵਾਂ
She didn't even ask to uncle to move forward, but she came and told us to go back instead. What? After this much chaos, we went back to our seats, and that air hostess went back to find seats for us. I mean, what's the problem if someone sits on that seat? Although it's going empty, and it's not like the flight is premium. Their seats were broken and their screens were also broken. She couldn't tolerate us sitting in premium seats, and I don't know from where she found 2 lappu chappu. They both were agreed for exchanging seats and we said okay, let's exchange. So we exchanged seats with them, and guess what? Their seats were also broken, and this time both seats were broken. We again called her and told her that this time both seats are broken.
Hey, ask for business class seat.
They are not providing us normal seats. How would they provide us business class seats? And then both Lappu Chappu went back to their seats and we went back to ours. They both don't have any issues sitting on broken bench and exchanging seats repeatedly. And then finally that air hostess's boss came to us and tell us that we can sit on that seats. They don't have any other good seats, or they were telling us to get refund, which we don't want. We just wanted to survive 5 hours comfortably. And then after watching us, or I don't know, an uncle also switches his seat, and he was kinda drunk also. And then that psycho came back. But this time that uncle got sleep and she was not able to wake him up. So she called a guy for help and he was also not able to wake him up. And then he started slapping on his face. I don't know, he was really drunk at that moment or he was just acting.
he is not with us
Who is this? We are not with him.
So this was all happened on our flight, and then we ordered some food. I got pretty good food, but Hansi's food was terrible. And then we landed in Delhi and lots of things happened there, lots of scam, drama, cause we landed in night and Delhi became so dangerous in night. If you want, I can make a video on that too. Just make my subscriber to 100, please. That's it for today. I'll come back in my next video. Bye!